Dear content writers, if you aren't doing any of these three things, how are you writing your blog articles? Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and today I'm going to be telling you these three things I do as a content writer to make my article better. So over the years, I have learned some very important lessons as a content writer, things to make my articles better, things that I shouldn't do, and things I definitely must not do. So thanks to HubSpot Academy, I did a content marketing course on there, and I kind of learned that I had been doing certain things all wrong. So I have applied everything that I learned from that course. Thank God I finished it after 6 months. It wasn't supposed to take me 6 months, but I finished it. And these three things have basically been helping me make my articles better. So let's begin. Number one, search for people also ask section every time you put that topic on Google. Now, I know that ChatGPT is taking over. I get it. There are a lot of people that don't even go to Google to search for stuff. They just check ChatGPT. But Google is not gone yet. So what I do when I have a topic, for example, I'm searching for top most visited places in Lagos. The first thing I do is I put that topic on the search bar, Google search bar. I open similar articles that people have written on the issue, something similar. If it's not the same topic, I just read on it. Then I scroll to the people also ask section. Now, I'll tell you why this is important in a minute. But when I go to that people also ask section, I write down all those most popular asked questions by people, because that's what's going to lead to my second point, which is preparing my content outline. Using the people also ask section, the questions you've gotten from that section, I use those questions to now curate my content outline. Now, the content outline is not just useful for the readers. We know that we have short attention span in this generation. And most times, they just want to go into an article, check what they want, and bounce. They don't want to read all the preliminaries, which is where a content outline comes in, where they just click on it, it takes them to the part where they want to read, and they bounce. But the content outline is also useful for the writer, because if you don't put out a content outline, you will be going round and round and round, confused, past your deadline. They'll give you an article to write within 24 hours, and you're telling them, oh, can you give me 2 more days? Because you're getting this information overload. When you have a content outline, you know that this is what I'm writing on, this is what I'm writing on, and this is what I'm writing on. I am not going past this. After this, I'm closing up shop. I'm moving on to the next task for me. If you don't do this, article writing is just going to become a chore for you. Moving on to the last step, write your introduction last. This might be controversial for some people. I know it was controversial for me when I first heard it. But guys, this has been helping me because let's be honest, an introduction is supposed to draw your audience in. And you need to start with, the first line needs to be very catchy, something to make them question their every existence, or give them the answer to what they are looking for immediately and make them want to continue reading that article. But if your introduction is laid back, it's not catchy, why are you writing that article in the first place? Now, the reason why I said introduction should be last is once you've gotten all the information you need from Google, from ChatGPT, from OpenAI, from wherever, you've fleshed out your content outline. Every subtopic you've put on the content outline, you fleshed it out. You yourself will now have ample information on that topic to be able to write a very catchy introduction. Now, if you write the introduction first, based on the little surface level information you have, it might not be very powerful. But if you write that introduction last, you would see the difference. You know what? Just try it out. Try it out. Try to write an article, write out, flesh out the content outline, finish the article, write the conclusion, everything, then write the introduction last. You will notice a significant difference in your article. So yeah, this video is very short. It's not something long. So every day we do long video. Yeah, sometimes just do information and you go. Anyway, I hope it has been informative, educative, and interesting as all my other videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, wait. If you've not subscribed, please do it now. Do it now. Yes, do it now. You guys watching this, I know you've been watching my videos and you've been admiring my videos and like, oh, I like the way she speaks, I like the information she's giving, but you've not subscribed. Anyway, that's all I have to say. See you guys in my next video. Bye.